What day is it, Mary?
Megan's birthday.
Megan's birthday. And what are those on the table?
What?
What are those things on the table, those boxes?
Presents.
Presents. Are they for Megan?
Yes.
Is there any for you?
Yes.
Oh. And what are you holding?
A piggy.
Your piggy. What's his name?
It probably he is a baby.
Baby Piggy?
Yes. Probably can't talk.
He can't talk, but you can.
Like this. Oh, I'm a baby.
Did you talk to somebody on the phone today?
Uh-uh.
No.
Nobody.
Not even my mom?
Yeah.
Can I see your shoes?
Oh, ew.
Mary, did you put your shoes on yourself?
Yes.
You did a very nice job.
And I saw too.
Your socks too. Good. Who's that on your shoes?
Barney.
Barney. Okay.
Oh.
Hello.